This is my 2007 GT3. I just had the engine rebuilt to a 4-liter, and I'm excited to have Mike Levitas put the TPC proprietary 4.0 custom tune in it. So we started by hooking up a battery charger. We want to make sure that the battery is hot during this procedure, and I'm going to let Mike take over from here.
We're going to be taking Tom's car today. This is a car that we've done a 4-liter engine, and these will usually come up to as much as 460 to the tire when we're done. And this is a 997.1. I'm going to be taking a Cobb tuner today. This is a Cobb AP. And we'll take the Cobb AP, and right now it has a cable attached to it that comes in the box. And this is the OBD2 cable. This will just strictly plug into the OBD port. But before I do that, you've noticed that we've put a battery charger on. We typically charge them 35, 40 amps because the fans can run, and you don't want to, while you're just putting your flash on the first time, you don't want it to crash and get into problems with dropping voltage. So we're going to go ahead and put this on here, and then we're going to build Tom the 4-liter file that we're pretty famous for on these cars, and have some fun with this car. We're going to turn the key on. Pretty simple. We're going to go ahead and install the OBD connector at the port. And the port is pretty much on all cars, located right on the bottom of the dash where it's easy to get to. And with the charger on and started, the key is in the on position. I'm going to try to cut down as much voltage as I can, so I'll turn the fans down. I'm taking as many accessories off. I got the lights off, and I'm going to go ahead and just follow the little prompt for install. Pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to go ahead and mark this down because I'm going to start building a file while this is installing. And right now this is an A842787825. Takes a bit of time, so we're going to come back to this once it identifies, and it's going to go ahead and it already read the software version, so we already have a 0 file in there. Cobb unit is marrying itself to the factory ECU. Once it finishes that step, we will take the AP. I will build a file here at the shop. I believe A842, we've probably already tuned quite a few of these. So we'll go ahead and then we'll put the file into the AP, and we will then write that to the ECU. And at that point, we'll go ahead and we'll make a couple of pulls on the street just to verify the short-term trim, the ignition counts, make sure everything looks clean. And after that, we will go ahead and take this car down to the dyno and have a little bit of fun. So see us at the dyno. We'll be there pretty soon.